Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have just received my early Valentine's Day gift. This is a gift from my husband. It's the limited edition Platinum 6. I have the Platinum 8.5, but I wanted the 6 because it's smaller and it'll fit better on my desk. So I was so excited when I seen Yana. I can't say her last name, but I'll have her video in the description. But I was so excited when I seen her, I think I seen her Instagram picture first, and then I seen her video of this new limited edition. I love the color. And then you got that die. That's a die that comes with it. You get like glitter plates, and then everything's like this nice aqua blue color. So pretty. I love the flowers too. So yeah, so I was excited that this was a Valentine gift for me. So yeah, so oops, getting a text while I'm doing my video. So that is the handle. So I'm just gonna share. Whoops, sorry, I got a little excited opening this. It's a Sunday and FedEx delivered it, and they had said it was going to be delivered Monday instead, but it came today, Sunday, so yay. So I was so excited. I also got a dust cover and some extra plates because I hate running out of plates, so I always have extra. And it's so pretty. I love how little it is. My other one is huge, so I'm just trying to make it so you can see it better. So really, really pretty, and I'll have to put that handle on it. And I'm really happy with Spellbinders. I looked at the Electric Gemini, and it's cute and pretty too, but I'm used to Spellbinders, so I'm just gonna stick with that brand for now. It's great color, and I just loved this one. So anyways, I hope you are having a great day and enjoyed my unboxing. I will be back soon with another video. Thanks for stopping by and watching and subscribing. Bye.